Okay, so here's a question about chromatography, and you've got a chromatogram drawn here showing the samples A and sample B. Sample A reaches up to here, sample B reaches up to here, and they've given you the RF value, which you should already know how to calculate it. Distance travelled by the sample divided by distance travelled by the solvent. So the distance travelled by the solvent or solvent front is there. So the distance travelled by the sample is that much there. And then they've given you some different values of amino acids, RF values of amino acids, and you have to calculate the RF value of A and B and match it up with these to see which is the closest, thereby identifying the amino acid. So the first thing you need to do is get a ruler and you need to measure the distance travelled by the solvent front. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. So let's say 68 millimeters. And then move it across. And for sample A, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. Measure it up to the middle of the spot. So 27. For that one. And for this one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 47 or 48. Okay, let's just call it 48. So these are your measurements, and then obviously for sample A, it's going to be for sample A, it's going to be 27 over 68, and sample B is going to be 48 over 68. So get your calculator, and let's do 27 divided by 68 equals 0.39. So let's call it 0.4. Okay, and for the other one, 48 divided by 68 equals 0.7. 0.7. So, as you can see, 0.4 is glutamic acid. So A is glutamic acid. Okay, and B is 0.7, which corresponds to alanine.